Hey guys, welcome to Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download CapCut in your Android phone. So to do that, all you have to do is go to your Play Store. So I'm just going to show this in my browser, but all you have to do is go to Play Store and then go to this website. Now on your Android phone, all you have to do is go to the search bar and search for CapCut. There you go. Now you can see this application. Click here and click on install. Now here this is asking for Google Play account and Android app as well. So yeah, on your Android phone, all you have to do is click on install and your CapCut will be installed. And then all you have to do is just open the application and use it. So that is how you can install CapCut on your Android phone. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.